My mind is divine mind, and my thoughts are divine thoughts. I constantly meditate on whatsoever things that are true, honest, just, lovely, and of good report. My imagination is the workshop of the Creator. I imagine only peace, harmony, health, wealth, perfect expression, and love. Today I claim my true place. I make it a daily practice to seek first this place within me. I know that this place already exists and will be revealed to me in due time. All my faith is in the supreme being and goodness. Divine love is supreme in me and casts out all fear. I am at peace. Thank you.